Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel where we try to learn how to plant. If you're into watching chilled, relaxed plant videos, hit the subscribe button and come hang out. So, it's week 4 of my little seedlings, so I'm going to show you, and I guess week 1 for some of the plants that I had to restart. If you want to see what plants I had to restart, go back to my last week 3 update, and you can see which ones I had to restart because, life happened and some of them didn't make it, so it's okay. So I'm going to show you I kind of switched up the setup and I'm going to show you what's growing. So see you in a bit. Alright guys, so this is what I have set up right now. Before I had like a little bin and then a little tray starter, but the plants started to grow too tall, so I decided I was going to just get a bigger bin. I threw some water at the bottom. And I placed them all in here with the lights on it, and we're going to see how they are looking. So you can already see some green in there. Oh wow, I haven't looked in here since I switched them to this bin about a week ago because I've been really busy with school and everything else, so it's just it's been a busy week, guys. Sorry for the noise, but okay. So, don't want to spill all the water. Try to get it in there. All right, so, I'm dropping things, guys. It's okay. All right, so. Oh, where to start? These guys I put into a bigger pot last week also, just because I heard that they can get root bound plants that are like seedlings, and then like it affects their growth and production, so I didn't want that to happen, so this is what we did. Oh, maybe I don't even know where to begin. Okay, we're going to begin over here. So, mustard is taken off. We have chives that are growing. The chamomile is growing. Cilantro is still not growing. The garlic chives are not growing. Artichoke is not growing. Rosemary, sage, lavender, spearmint have not grown. Lemon balm, parsley has not grown, but we have thyme. It smells so good in here, guys. Alright, so this is our purple basil. This is our Italian large leaf basil. Summer savory. We have arugula rocket starting up. I had to restart those, so this is like their week 1. Same with this guy, arugula roquette. Italian oregano is not growing anything. I started some Brussels sprouts last week, so that's their first week of life. The water looks so gross, but it is what it is. I also started some celery, which have not grown. Some tarragon, which has not grown. And dill I had to restart, which has not grown yet. So, this little section on my cactus, look, we're growing cactus, guys. I am so excited. Okay. Now we got this guy. So we got tomatoes growing. Lettuce has not grown. I don't know what's up with that. Purple garden bean, pea, colored pepper mix hasn't grown, but the broccoli has. Let's go to the middle. So we have carrots growing, green peppers growing, lima beans are not, the yellow garden bean is not, I don't think that's doing anything. This is another tomato, so these guys are doing really well. Back here we have broccoli rabe. I had to restart those, so that's what they look like. They're a little leggy. Lettuce, we have one little lettuce growing. This is the green garden bean. Cucumber has grown. And cauliflower and spinach have not grown. And now we got this front part. So we have mixed green bell peppers. So these are the coated seeds, so they're growing well. And then the hot peppers, I've put up one little guy. Cantaloupe is growing, it's coming back. We have Swiss chard, which is growing right there, doing well. Watermelon looks growing. We got this big guy of lettuce. Big guy of lettuce right here. I don't know if he's getting too much water. I don't know if lettuce can get too much water. And then the mini bell peppers have not started. Alright, these carrots and this lettuce has not started. And the corn has grown from the new kernel I put in about a week ago, and the pumpkin has not grown since. So, this is what we got, week 4 for most. And then I have these pots, and this is like all I have. So, I don't know if I have another week to wait to try to get some more pots. I don't know also if I should be changing out this water or if it even matters. If you know, let me know. But yeah, so if I decide to move any of these plants out into the larger pots, I'll jump back on. But until then, guys, relax, plant, and peace out.